Every single water bottle you use has a journey. But have you ever seen how it's actually made? Today, I'm taking you inside a real factory to show how raw water is carefully treated, purified, and prepared before it is filled into water bottles you trust every day. Everything starts with the PET granules, which is food grade plastic approved for safe drinking water. These tiny pellets may look simple, but they are the foundation of every strong, lightweight bottle. The process begins with raw water collected from approved sources. This water is stored in stainless steel tanks and continuously monitored for quality. Firstly, the water passes through sand filters to remove dust, dirt, and suspended particles. Next, activated carbon filters eliminate chlorine, odor, and organic impurities, improving taste and clarity. The water is then filtered through multiple micron cartridges, starting with larger micron sizes like 5 microns down to 1 and even 0.5 micron. This step removes fine particles like microplastic, which is invisible to human eye. Reverse osmosis is used to remove dissolved salt, heavy metals, and harmful chemicals. This ensures purity at a molecular level. The ultraviolet purification plays a crucial role. High intensity UV light destroys bacteria, viruses, and microorganisms. Ozone treatment provides final disinfection. It eliminates any remaining microbes and ensures the water stays fresh inside the bottle until consumption. Only passing all these purification stages, the water is ready to be filled. This is the most critical stage of bottled water manufacturing, the filling section. Here, purified water is transferred under strict hygiene conditions to ensure safety, accuracy, and consistency in every bottle. Purified water flows from stainless steel storage tanks through closed food grade pipelines directly into the filling machines. This sealed system prevents any external contact and maintains complete hygiene throughout the process. The empty bottles move through the automated flow production under each filling nozzles. Each bottle is filled with an exact quantity of purified water using advanced. Immediately after filling, caps are applied and sealed without delay. This instant sealing protects the water from exposure and preserves freshness. The filling area operates in a controlled environment with strict hygiene protocols. Machines are regularly sanitized and the process is monitored. Every filled bottle is checked for correct fill level, secure capping, and leakage. Only bottles that meet quality requirements continue on the production line. Once approved, the bottles move seamlessly towards the packaging section, ready for distribution. This precision driven filling process ensures that every bottle delivers safe, clean water that you can trust. Purified water is filled into bottles or water drums, sealed for safety and distributed for everyday use.